Hi, this is my data sharing, teamwork, tool sharing part, and I guess we still have to make a video about it. So I'll just make this video, and yeah, just in case. So our team worked on the text analysis. And they all share different tools. And here I want to actually share a concept of text analysis, which is neural networks. So this neural networks is the most encouraging way to analyze text, and a super powerful tool for using for machine learning and natural language processing. So yeah, and there are four basic types: perceptron, which classify the word embedded as a name and entity. So in the for example, it classify is a word a name, or is a location, or just a word. So second one is convolutional. So I classify the positivity as a entire. So it doesn't go in sentiment analysis. It analyze each word and their possibility um, positivity or negativity. It doesn't do that. It combine entire text and analyze the overall positivity. So third, recurrent. So a cluster, word group, translation. So what this does is basically it takes a sentence and it returns like it from the context. It tells which text should belong to which group. So, for example, I read this book. So, um, you know, the word the word group shouldn't be I book. Should it be I read this book? So it just divided the sentence into word groups. And the multi-tasking learning, so you just combine all of those. What this does is telling you guys there is a fixed length output and the fixed length input. So for say this fixed length input and the fixed length output will be perceptron. So and if it is a fixed length of inputs and variable length of outputs, will be multitasking. So same here, variable length of input will convolutional, and there's only certain amount of output will be convolutional, and here so recurrent will be variable length of output, variable length of input. So, but here we're just gonna focus on the concept, like what is neuron network. So here it's I can show you there are different neurons. So each of them is a cell. So each cell actually has a next level. Then it connect each other by telling there's a little connection with the next cell, and then it connect each other, and then it keeps going to the next level or layer to the next layer, and eventually we get an output. So here I give you a another example to help you guys learn how to understand it. So first of all, on the top there's a number 9, there's number 8. So how do you determine our brain immediately tells and it's a 9, it's a brain, it's an 8, and how does the computer do it? So computer takes the 9, it analyze. Okay, 9 is actually a circle and a stick. 8 is two circles. So then it keeps breaking into smaller parts. So what is a circle? It's a little piece of a little sticks, and then combined together as a circle, and then it keeps going. So in reality, this is what neural networks do. So it takes this piece of a circle, and take a little piece, and then it generates okay, there is a circle-ish little piece combined to each other, and then there is a stick-ish combined to each other, and then it generates this circle in here, and then this stick in here. There's another circle. So you can see here, if there is a circle and then there is a circle, it combines a 8. And then if there is a stick, there is a circle and combines a 9. And if there is a stick and there is a circle, it combines a 9. So I guess I shouldn't really put this connection in here, but it just in case. So that's how neural net works. So in the real world, the scale of a neural network is huge. It's large. It's like a billion neurons. Like in our human being brain cells, there are like 10 billions of or like 1,000 billions brain cells, so it can connect those our neural works. So, but right now I don't think the computer can do that much, but it's getting there. So and each of the neurons actually doesn't do much. It just take this thing and multiply like a small number together, and then it gets you these neural networks. So yeah, it's actually just a concept because I don't find a really simple way to do the coding, and yeah, please let me know if you interested and know more about it. Thank you.